All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about, are dealer techs better than independent techs? All right, so short answer is no. Long answer is, well, it depends. So I was hanging out with Humble Mechanic and Motor City Mechanic at Milwaukee's New Tool Symposium, and we were talking various things. David, the Motor City Mechanic, can't understand how we do what we do in the independent world because he's so ingrained in that dealer world. And it got me thinking, along with some posts on Facebook, but are dealer techs better than independent techs? No. Are we independent techs better than dealer techs? No. There's great dealer techs, there's great independent techs, good independent techs, good dealer techs, and there's a whole lot of bad of both. And what I mean by that, there's a whole lot of hacks, guys doing poor work, don't care about quality, get it in, get it out, let me get done. And dealer techs have some advantages that independent shops don't have. Independent shops have some advantages that dealer techs don't have. And I'm not going to get into everything because it's just be a long video. But the fact of the matter is, a technician that invests in the fact of the matter whether a technician the fact of the matter is a technician that invests in his the fact of the matter is a technician that invests in his trade, i.e. continued education, continued tooling, continued growth, can be a great technician no matter where they work. It doesn't matter whether they're working at a Chrysler dealership, a Volkswagen dealership, it doesn't matter. Same with an independent tech. He can be working at a mom and pop shop with 2 bays and be a great technician. It doesn't matter. It's the technician himself that matters. Now, dealer techs have it easy in some cases. They see the same stuff over and over and over again. You know, to give a simple example, this is a main relay out of an Acura. I assigned the ticket to another technician, and he went out there, and there was no communication with any module on the car, and he tapped out, said, you know, this is above my pay grade. You know, I can try, but, you know, might be better off to work on some of those other cars. So I took it over. An Acura dealer tech would have probably got it diagnosed probably about as fast as I did. Now, in other cases, a dealer tech might know something I don't. But in this case, I knew where to go. It fixed it, by the way. But my point of that is, just because they see the same stuff day in, day out, doesn't make them better. It just makes them more experienced on the same problems. And a lot of dealer techs, when they get into those unusual problems, is when they struggle because they're so used to that pattern failure mindset that a lot of dealer techs have, they start struggling. Whereas in an independent shop, I might work on a GM now, a Ford in a minute, a BMW, then a Volkswagen, then a Chrysler product. I have to figure out how to read service information, how to figure out where to go on my next step. So I don't have necessarily those pattern failures to go to for every car. So I have to actually diagnose it. I have to know, oh, well, that circuit design, can I understand, you know, where I'm going with this? Pattern failures doesn't make you a great tech. But on the other side of it, make your life easy. But don't get me wrong, there's plenty of dealer techs out there that, you know, they get a new problem in, they're not on the phone with, you know, tech support engineering going, I don't know where to go from here. They're pulling out the scopes. You know, PJ from Voltage Drop Diagnostics is a great example. You know, he's a Toyota tech. He deals with Toyotas. But he, trust me, could figure out any system on any car based on his knowledge and training that he has acquired, because Not because he's a dealer tech, but because he has invested in himself. And that's the difference between a great tech and a bad tech. Is a great tech, no matter where they work, are going to strive to be the great tech. When it comes to the debate of indie techs suck, dealer techs suck, no. There's great techs, good techs, and crappy techs across the board. So get over it. You'll find great techs in shops no matter what sign is on the front of the building. So thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.